4x, 4x. Everything is 4x.
What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here. You're here with Crypto E. That's me. And in this video, we'll be talking about crypto weekly review. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. We'll take a look at Ethereum. We'll also take a look at XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Cardano. We'll take a look at 6 cryptocurrencies, and we'll also wrap up the week for cryptos. We all know cryptos are 24/7, so it doesn't stop. I'll keep you guys updated during the weekend if something pops off. But so far, it's just looking like everything is stabilizing for now. But that being said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, then subscribe to this channel with the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now, so we can all change each other's financial standing and let's be more financially successful and financially thriving instead of just being financially stable. So let's get straight into this video. As always, first thing is first, we will be taking a look at the coin market cap. It's at $1.7 trillion, so it's down 4.12% for the 7-day period. I'm playing with y'all. It's down for basically 4.12% for 1 day period, so 24-hour. And 24-hour volume is 90 billion. Nothing crazy. It's been hovering and stabilizing for a while now. For the past 3 weeks, even a month, we've been seeing it. It went up, it spiked up, but now stabilizing. And the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum is hovering around the same price. So nothing crazy. And Ethereum gas fees are 40 guai. So we scroll down. Of course, Bitcoin is number 1. Look at the lead, guys. Look at the dad of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. And take a look at this. Red, red, red. And even the stable coins are red for some reason. It's kind of funny, but just look at this. Everything is red. And let's see what's the green thing that comes up. Of course, a stable coin and ape coin. Sheesh, I might have to make a video on that, guys, because it's been crazy. Their journey has been insane. And it's at 32% for the 7-day period, but it's down 18% for the 24-hour period. So like it just hit $20, but it's down 17%, or just 18 for the 24-hour period, which says a lot about it, and it's already up 32% for the week. But you guys can see it. What I'm saying is the same thing. Everything is red and red and red. There's probably some outliers, as always, that are very different and that don't follow Bitcoin trend for a specific reason, because ApeCoin has the NFT market on lock right after Bored Ape. But this is just a standing, it's just the beginning. I want to wrap up the crypto weekly for you guys. So let's go to the trading view chart. So while we're here, let's talk a little bit about what has happened this week. So this week, Bitcoin has been stabilizing. We have seen so much market. 10-year yield is not looking good as well. Inflation has been skyrocketing insanely. The war is still continuing to go on with Russia and Ukraine. And China may be surfacing or entering into a unknown, it's not exposed or it's not known to the public yet, but China may be entering a war, or a war is upcoming between Taiwan as well. Many things happening in the world and that are affecting the cryptocurrency market, the stock or the Forex, and the financial markets in general. So your livelihood will be affected by this. But also what happened this week was Elon Musk purchased Twitter for about nearly $45 billion. And today, he just sold $2 billion of Tesla shares. So we'll see what the SEC has to say about that as well. I'll keep you guys updated as always. But let's continue on with the trading view analysis of cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, as we see it, is still on the 70% period on the Fibonacci level. So I want you guys to see the bigger picture before I even zoom into it. So let's take a look at this as we are. Okay. And the current price is at 38,572. So you guys remember when it went all the way up to 48,000, I told you guys that it will go to 48,000, but the hardest resistance level has to pass is around 50,000 over here, 50,900, 52,000. And after that is already passing this resistance as well. Let me get my marker. After this resistance, is already passing or trying to pass this resistance as well. So once this is gone, the only resistance is at the $60,000 mark, and then it can keep going up. So before we even see those numbers, let's see where it's consolidating at. So now let's zoom into Bitcoin. And we have to emphasize more time into Bitcoin because, again, guys, Bitcoin is the leader of cryptocurrencies right now, and it has been since it came out. So until XRP dethrones it or something else, it's going to keep on being red. Whenever Bitcoin is red, the whole market will dry. The whole market will bleed. So Bitcoin, again, is at 38,564. So worst case scenario, it could come down to these levels and test 33,760. So now let's zoom back out a little bit. But what is this zone right here? This is the support zone. There we go. This is the support zone right here. So don't forget that, okay, guys? And this zone right here is the resistance zone. There we go. So support down here, resistance up here. And what has it been doing? As you guys can see, this is why I'm trying to tell you guys that the consolidation period is really a consolidation period. Up, down, up, down. So are we expecting another up? Because again, this is a triangle and this is a trend line to the upward momentum. Well, this way, well, this way, as you guys can see it, it's an upward momentum. But are we really expecting a bounce over here to the resistance and come down to the support, or is it just going to keep hovering in this rectangle that it's in, or will it crack above is a great question. So right now we don't have much to say based on the current trend of the market, and it's sitting at right now this support level. So once this day closes, or actually this week candle closes, I'll have better knowledge of where the market is headed. But right now it's still hovering. So let's go to the day time frame. Let me show you guys a little bit something before we go into the next cryptocurrencies. Okay. So we're seeing full, oh, let me get off this. But we're seeing full candles, which is a great sign that the market is, you know, is still consolidating. It's nothing crazy that we're seeing to the downtrend. And this was the recent resistance that was having trouble passing around 43,000. But it's still consolidating, but it is below the trend line of the triangle going this way. But it's still giving us, you know, full candles. But this one, when we go back to the weekly time frame, it was a hammer, upside down hammer candle. You guys can see it right here. So we'll see what Bitcoin decides to do, which means 99% of the cryptos will follow it, including altcoins. And moving on to the next one. Yeah, but before we even move on quickly, I told you guys we'll come to 34,000, 33,900. That's the worst case scenario, but it couldn't come down here and retest 28,000. But everybody else saying like it's gonna go to 10,000, 5,000. Man, I guess everybody else can talk. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But what I'm stating to you guys is there should not be any drastic drop in prices of Bitcoin, because the people, when I say the people, the whales that are holding it would want it to get that low, of course, but the people that bought it at a certain level would not allow it to happen. And everyone is purchasing it right now as well, just slow consolidation period. But everything in the market is hurting it. That's why it's stabilizing. So let's move on to our favorite cryptocurrencies. Enough talk about Bitcoin. We'll leave that to the Bitcoin maxis. I know they're always here just watching and they're always saying something. But anyways, yeah, we can see the XRP. Alright, we don't need this anymore. But it's still in a downtrend momentum. What did it do? Told you guys, so try to come above this level and pass 87.90 cents. It went up. It just got rejected because it's not the time. It's not the time for it yet. But so what did it do? It's coming down to the support level. Let me delete this one. Yep, it's coming down to the support level. We'll see if it comes down to 50 cents. So I've been calling it. It's going to keep coming down to 50 cents, keep bouncing up. But if it comes down to 50 cents, just expect a couple buys. You know, it's nothing drastic going on. But worst case scenario for XRP, if it falls below the next zone I'm expecting it to come down to is like 38, 35 cents. So nothing crazy going on with XRP. Then we're taking a look at Ethereum, ETH. The coin that's supposed to hit $10,000. I said it. Yep, I said it. But yeah, we're still seeing it. It's basically, Ethereum is basically following Bitcoin to the T. As in, they're still in the trend, in the upward trend, as we've seen in Bitcoin. It's going up, down, down. But this is a better trend than Bitcoin, to be honestly. I want to be honest with you guys. This is a better trend than Bitcoin. Because again, it's probably around the 70% mark of the Fibonacci level. Even though we can see it here. From this one, we can see it's at the 70% of the Fibonacci level. And the support is down here. So I don't expect Ethereum to go below $2,000 minimum. If it goes below that, then of course things can happen. I can't always predict it 100%. But it's just so weird to even just see Ethereum come down to 2,000. It's going to keep getting scooped up immediately. That's just what I have to say about Ethereum. Ethereum, I don't believe will go below $2,000. And we're taking a look at Shiba Inu. The metaverse already is out. A lot of things are being released. The blockchain is next, the biggest factor, which should push the price very, very high. And I made a recent video. If you haven't watched it, I'll put it on the link up there. And it's just telling you guys that many coins have been burned in the billions. Of course, we need to see trillions of tokens to be burned for the price to go insanely high. And the 1 cent mark is not far away, or it's not far-fetched. It is coming very soon. But still, for now, it's consolidating between this box that we drew 2 weeks ago. We drew it 2 weeks ago and still here. And we've taken a look at it since it was up, since it was down, and since it was down here. But currently, it's been stuck in this box for how many days? I would like to be exact. So, we're on the weekly time frame. So, it's been stuck here for 98 days. And what did it do previously? It was stuck in this consolidation period. I believe it was 130 something days. 140 days. So let's do the mark here on Shiba Inu and see how far 140 days is. So basically by June 6th, something should happen based off of the previous trend. We'll see what that day holds. I'll make a separate video about that. But that's Shiba Inu. And Cardano. 80 cents. I told you guys this was a major resistance level for it. It went all the way up to test it at $1.25. That's why I give you guys these weekly videos, crypto wrap up, because I want you guys to understand what I'm doing with this technical analysis. I'm not giving you guys, some false claims saying like it's gonna go to $1,000, $100. Currently, nothing is going up that high. Especially Cardano is not going up that high. I have high hopes for Cardano. And biggest factor for me, even not even counting everything that they have done that I have seen, is the implementation and the agreement, the contract they signed with Ethiopia, and they're making many things coming up on the African continent as well, which helps out everybody. But that's my main reason to invest in it. But I have seen the technology and all it's capable of. I'm not just gonna invest in something because they made a deal with my country. Just letting you guys know. But it came down to 80 cents. And that's the rejection zone at $1.26. That's Cardano for you guys. And Dogecoin. Yep, it pumped up when Elon Musk bought it. Let me go to the daily time frame so you can see exactly what happened. It pumped up on April 25th. Today is April 29th. Go back. 25th was what day? Monday. So Monday, it pumped up. That's when there was an announcement that Elon purchased it, and on Tuesday, it came down. But let's see how high it pumped up. If you can time Elon Musk tweets, and you get in, you get out at the right moment, you can make a good amount of money. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, look, it's over 20%. From the bottom, it's just, it went up over 38.88%. Mark it up at 39%, and then it came down. 15% was in this next day. But that's what I got for you guys today, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. God bless you guys. If you guys are new to this channel and you love what you're seeing, subscribe to this channel. Let's keep getting the word out so people can invest. But before they invest, they can understand what they're investing into and understand the technology behind it, what the company is doing. And I'm providing you guys this video so you can make financial decisions based off of the research that you're doing. I'm just here to provide you guys the facts and the truth. You make the final call at the end of the day, guys. So God bless you guys for watching this video. I'm Crypto E from UL Exchange. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with anybody you know that's interested in the financial markets, so we can all financially thrive and financially strive together instead of just being financially stable. Comment below. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.